same way, when I want to experience that pleasantness, I'll take my Ramakrishna's photo and keep it in front of me and fan him. And there's a beautiful, very sweet story of Ramakrishna sung by one devotee. It's called Sri Sri Ramakrishna Bundi. And in English it is called, and the book has been translated, The Portrait of Sri Ramakrishna. That's a very beautiful book. It is not factual. See, the Ramakrishna's biography, he wrote it more poetic way. He does not bother much about facts. He has not changed the facts. He is not telling lies. But he is singing in a very beautiful, sweet way that, oh, who came as Rama and Krishna? You came as Ramakrishna, but this time you did not steal and do all these naughty things of Krishna. But you are not so polite like Rama also. So from the beginning, with that feeling that Ramakrishna is an incarnation, the devotee has sang about Sri Ramakrishna. It's a very beautiful book. Still I can repeat it. It's, I think, 1000-page book. In Bengali verse form. I can repeat the whole thing by heart. Jai Jai Ramakrishna Vanja Kalpataru, Jai Jai Bhagavan Jagatir Guru, Jai Jai Ramakrishna Ishta Goshtikan, Jai Jai. It goes. Sobaya Sarene Renu Mageye Adam. We just have the book. I can repeat the whole 1000-page. I can continue even now. It goes on and on and on. It's a very beautiful, very juicy, sweet, loving way of Ramakrishna's biography described. That's one of the best things with which I experienced highest pleasantness. I'll have a small Singhasan and Ramakrishna's photo, and I have a small fan. Fanning him, I'll sit and sing these whole verses. And I have this book in the hand. Whole day I'll be sitting, and there's a tune to chant that. I'll sit and chant. One great elderly sadhu in Ramakrishna Mission, his name is Nandanandaji. He used to, I have seen him sitting and singing this verse with the tears in joy. And I picked up the habit from him only. I'll sit every day with him. He suffered with little deafness. So I served him, taking him to the doctor and taking care of him when he was old. He was a sadhu from Andhra, very sweet sadhu. So I used to sit and chant this. I picked up this habit from him. I listened to him very attentively, and actually I learnt Bengali reading. So if I chant that book one day, it will take full day to chant 1000-page. At least next 2 months I will feel that I am in that heaven, and whole body will be sweet and pleasant, that whole throat will be filled with sweetness. Because it is the whole, his whole biography is chanted, the created, sung with so much of love, without being much bothered about the facts. It's a Purana of Sri Ramakrishna. So this Sadhu Nandananda Swami, he was about to die. As a tradition, when you are about to die, you have to give your whole, whatever you have, to the person who served you. It's a tradition. So this Sadhu suddenly said, I am going to die tomorrow. Guru Maharaj has appeared. What will I give you? I said, you don't need to give me anything. You are a sadhu, that's enough. You bless me. Then he said, I accumulated one thing in my life. The biggest wealth I accumulated is, whenever I read this Sri Sri Ramakrishna Bundi, I go to Samadhi, an ecstasy. I give you this Bhava Samadhi as my gift. He gave me. And I tell you, after that, Whenever I read that book, God, and that sweetness, it's as if his 60, 70 years of tapas has entered into me. If you read some book 60, 70 years and be in the ecstasy, that whole bhava, the depth of the bhava, that whole depth of emotion has entered into my system, I could feel that same emotion just by his blessing. He said, I give you this gift of bhava samadhi. You take it. Because now it won't be useful anymore for me. See, once you leave the body, even your bhava samadhi will not stay with you. Only the nirvikalpa samadhis will stay with you. Less than nirvikalpa samadhi, anything you accumulated is not useful anymore for you. The English spelling is P-U-N-K-T-I. In English, the book is translated as A Portrait of Sri Ramakrishna. Maybe one day I'll sit and chant for you guys. It's my personal spiritual practice, which I did for quite a long time. Some of my personal spiritual practice I never shared with you guys. This Ramakrishna Bunti. And same way, Chandi. Chandi is the Devi Mahatmyam. I'm a great Sakta. So I'll sit and chant Chandi. Devi Mahatmyam is 700 sloka. And Lalita Sahasranama and Trisadi. There are some 6-7 books related to Chandi. Devi Upanishad and all that put together. That will take one day, full one day if you chant. That I will chant with this bell. The same book in Bengali. These all used to be my entertainment.